In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow Chrome network access in your firewall or antivirus settings so Chrome can connect properly without being blocked. This is a really useful fix if Chrome is having trouble loading pages, signing in, syncing, or connecting to the internet on your Windows PC. We'll walk through it step by step in a simple way, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to allow Chrome through Windows Defender Firewall. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Start menu on your computer. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the Start menu is open, type Windows Defender Firewall into the search bar. As soon as you see it appear in the search results, click it to open the firewall settings. This is where Windows controls which apps are allowed to communicate through your network. When the Windows Defender Firewall window opens, look over to the left side and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This option lets you choose which apps can pass through the firewall, including Google Chrome. On the next screen, you'll see a list of apps and features that Windows manages. To make changes, click the Change Settings button near the top right of the window. You may need administrator permission, so if Windows asks for approval, go ahead and allow it. After that, scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. If Chrome is already listed, great. That means you can simply enable the correct network permissions. If you do not see Chrome right away, make sure you are looking through the full list carefully. Once you locate Google Chrome, make sure both the private and public checkboxes are selected. Private allows Chrome to work on trusted networks like your home Wi-Fi, and public allows it to work on public or shared networks as well. Checking both boxes gives Chrome the best chance of connecting properly in all situations. After confirming both options are enabled, click OK to save your changes. That's the important final step because without clicking OK, the firewall settings will not be applied. Once you close the window, Chrome should now have network access through Windows Defender Firewall. If you're also using an antivirus program with its own firewall or web protection, you may need to repeat a similar process there and allow Google Chrome in that security app too. Different antivirus programs have different menus, but the idea is the same. Find the app permissions or firewall settings, locate Chrome, and allow both private and public access if available. If Chrome was being blocked before, this should help fix the issue and get your browser working normally again. And if you want more easy Windows and Chrome tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.